Hey, what's up, everybody? Warm weather's upon us. People like drinking iced tea. So, if you make your own iced tea, a lot of people just put the sugar in and you get all that granulated sugar on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a simple iced tea, and we're going to make a sugar syrup to put into it with a little bit of lemon, and that's going to be it. And it's going to be a real quick, real simple video. Stick around. I'm using tea bags, regular old tea bags. Use your favorite tea. I've got 6 bags here. I tied the strings together, and I'm going to secure this with a binder clip. I'm going to put it over here, and this is going to make 1 gallon. So you're going to take your gallon jug and you're going to fill it up. Alright, so you're going to add your water, and what you want to do is you're just going to heat this up just so those tea bags can steep a little bit. I'm going to put that on a medium heat. You don't want to boil this, you just want to heat it up. You just want to heat this up enough to release the tea. Alright, so this has been going for a couple minutes and it's starting to steep a little bit. So I'm going to give it a couple more minutes, and then we're going to transfer this back into the pitcher. So I'm going to cut me a length of butcher's twine and tie that to the bags, so this way I can take it out easily from the pitcher. That's where I want it for now. So I'm going to turn the heat off. I'm going to remove this clip, tie this butcher twine onto the tea bags, and this is my preference. This way I can fish them out. If you want to just throw everything in and then put it in your pitcher, that's fine. So now I'm going to take the tea bags, put them in the pitcher, just secure this a little bit. I'm going to do this over the sink because I will make a mess. Okay, so there you have and that didn't take long at all. So we're just going to let this sit for a couple minutes, and we're going to take that same pot, put it back on. We're going to take about a cup and a half of water, and we're going to take a cup of sugar. That's 1 cup of sugar. We're going to bring this up to a boil. We're going to make a syrup out of it. You want to stand over. You don't want to go somewhere and do something, because this will, before you know it, it's going to turn into a syrup. At this point, you could also add some lemon if you want. I'm just going to add, I don't know, about a capful. That looks like about a teaspoon. I didn't have any fresh lemon juice. And if you want to add more lemon to it, you can add more lemon once it's in the tea. Okay, there we go. It's starting to come up. What you want to do is you're trying to boil out the water just so you have a more concentrated sweetener. Give it a taste. That's fine. So now, take it off the heat. Take it off the heat. I wouldn't put it all in just yet. I would put about 3/4 of it in, and then give it a stir. Give it a little taste. All right, I say yes. Put it all in. And this is where you want to go according to taste. So I'm putting in a little bit more. A little bit more lemon juice. Rinse my glass. That's good. That's what I want. It's just got to steep a little bit more, and then it'll be ready. Yeah. So there you have it. An alternative to sun tea, I guess you'd call it. I don't know, but it's good, and it's easy. It's quick. This wasn't necessarily done in real time, but it takes about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to make it. And the more you do it, the faster you're going to get at it, of course. So anyway, there you go. Some nice sweet tea, iced tea, whatever you want to call it, for the upcoming summer. And thanks for stopping by.